Normally, I make wacky videos, but today I want to talk about something serious. Something that's been on my mind for quite some time. And that thing is. All right. And that thing is. Okay. All right. I'll wait. Are you done? And that thing is the fires. The fires and the drought happening in the West. That's California, Oregon, Washington. There's a serious drought there going on right now. It's like 70% of the land or something is experiencing like really dry conditions. And sorry, guys. Okay, I'll just keep going. It's really dry there, and there's not a lot of water, which I don't know if there's a way. I don't know if there's a like the desalination plants or something. Like, even those have problems because those take up a lot of energy. The brine gets back into the brine has to go back into the ocean, and that can cause super salinity and then kill anything that's out there. Even though they live in the ocean, the fish there, they live in the ocean, but they need a certain amount. If you don't want to listen, just stop watching. Anyway, they need. Stop it. Thank you. They need a certain salinity, and if it's too high, they'll die. So even desalination, like that just trades one problem for another thing. And it's not like it. What are you doing? Thank you. Stop. And it's not like it probably won't even fix the problem because it's not going to be enough water and like you need a lot of desalination plants. And there's a lot of areas away from the coast that are dry as well. And I just wish there was something we could do about it. I mean, probably the best thing to do would be to move people out of that area and just let whatever happens there happens, and move people where it's wetter. Serves you right. Yeah. Okay. That serves you right for interrupting me this whole time. You know what? I'm done.